Philips Blu-Ray player 2100 2000 series Blu-ray disc DVD player BDP2110, and I bought this because Xbox One and PlayStation 4 don't play all kind of Blu-rays, so therefore I have to bought a new Blu-ray player who play everything, and this is Philips. Trademark, play everything, this one, and it costs 10 times less than Xbox One and play everything. So okay, we will look at this player. Open it. Open it here. This here. Yes. Wow. Look here. It's incredible. It's fantastic. When I think about how little this costs, it's user manual on a player, PC, Mac only. Okay, here it is. Adapter, and even that's cool. Even even remote control. See here. Yeah, nice. HDMI, Dolby True HD, DTS, DivX HD, DTS, HDMI, Philips. Yeah, okay. Back here for a LAN and HDMI and coaxial. So that was the cheapest Blu-ray player I could find on market. The cheapest, and display everything. Looks like this. Control. And here is user manual, batteries. Battery. And yeah. Quick start guide. Yes. Okay, plug and play. So that's my new Philips Blu-ray player who eat everything.